Kempanna, the president of Karnataka State Contractors Association, has lauded the Public Works Department minister for efficiently clearing bills of contractors, setting a positive precedent. He urges the other government departments to follow suit and promptly address pending financial matters.
Congratulate Mr. PWD minister because he has relieved the less than 1 crore bill all clearing. And we urge the government also, all the other department also to continue the same thing. And apart from not only 1 crore, above 1 crore also payment should be made. That is our demand.
Expressing the association's stance on the package system, Kempanna emphasizes the need for its abolition, citing concerns of corruption within the current framework. The association has already conveyed these concerns to the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister during a meeting where they sought resolution to their issues. While acknowledging the government's support, Kempanna urges other departments to release pending funds and highlights the detrimental impact of the package system. Allegations of corruption and insistence on cut money by some officers have further fueled the association's call for ending the package system.
We stand for that package system should be abolished. That is there, we are not. And we are not charging anybody against any person or anything. And several times we met the Chief Minister. He has promised he is looking to our problems and also. And even Deputy Chief Minister also we have met several times and he has come here. He has already taken an initiative to clear the bills of bbmp and all. And even we are urging him also in irrigation also he has told the irrigation is slowly I am going to do because the heavy bills, because only 10,000 crores was the grant was given, about 1 crore grant was issued in the last year. We are going to clear stage by stage. That is. Officers, why have they? The package systems he deals for the corruption. The officers is insisting that some of the officers purposefully they calling the package center. That's we are opposing. Because of the package system, corrupt practices is still this.
Kempanna stresses that the association is not making any specific allegations against individuals, including R. Ashoka, the leader of the opposition, whom they intended to meet.
I wanted to meet the R. Ashoka also regarding 4th and 5th our conference. Generally what happened from last 4-5 conference we made, first day ruling party members will call, second day leader of opposition. We wanted to give and invite him to the 5th day, that is March 5th function. I have not made any allegation against anybody, neither Ashok nor X or Y. That's it.
The association, consisting of contractors from various districts such as Kolar, Tumakuru and 7 others, seeks a transparent and corruption-free system in the allocation of packages. In a bid to further discuss their concerns, Kempanna discloses their request for a meeting with the CM, underlining the importance of addressing these issues to ensure fair practices in awarding contracts.
Last time we met the Chief Minister also, we have represented also, and again we wanted to meet him also. Because last 3-4 days he is very busy with the budget in this one. We will go and meet him also. And we request, because 16th is a birthday, at that time I request him to release all the pending bills for this.
The association expresses particular concern about the awarding of packages to contractors from other states, emphasizing the need for prioritizing local contractors and promoting regional development.
The Forces Housing Corporation they called 7 districts, 3-4 districts, 7 districts, 1 package they have made. For example, Kolar, Bangalore, Ramnagara, Tumakuru, they had put together all buildings were. How can they execute the work? That is our question. And whether able to give all the machineries for all these, about 25 buildings they are called for this. 25 machineries they are going to call for this. For 1 crore they will lost all type of machineries for us. Why not they are not insisting on this? That is it.